गणपति कवित्वं we are taking you on a journey through many states of India. Let's head to Punjab. Did you know Punjabi are famous not just for their love of food, but this drink, okay? Not water. But also for their lively dance. Please give a warm, thunderous welcome to Unika Parmar and Karina Basra.
Punjab, a state very proud to be part of India. And now we will bring to you the timeless music of Punjab as part of today's Republic Day celebrations. Hold on to your seats as you're taken through a journey in time. Enjoy.
Punjabi music is more than just sound. It is the history of the people, carrying their heartbeat, emotions and pride through time.
Folk roots, the original soul of Punjab. Punjabi music began in villages, fields and community gatherings. Folk legends like Assa Singh Mastana and the iconic voice of Surinder Kaur brought stories to life, celebrating love, bravery and everyday joy.
The post-partition era. Memories of home and healing. The late 1940s and 1960s. After the partition, music became a keeper of memories, of homes left behind and lives uprooted. Artists like Surinder Kaur carried these memories through songs, helping a wounded community heal.
The Golden Era. Stability and finding a voice. 1970s to 1980s. As Punjab began to stabilize and regain its footing, music found clarity and confidence again. Legends like Azhar Swan and Kuldeep Monik reflected everyday life, pride and renewed cultural strength.
Bhangra booming. Energy and global celebration. The 1990s to 2000s. The beat grew louder, the dole grew stronger, and Punjabi music went global. Artists like Punjabi MC and Malkeet Singh created iconic anthems filling the dance floors worldwide.
Yeah.
Punjabi music blends tradition with confidence and modern style. Artists like Diljit Dosanjh, Sidhu Moosewala and Karan Aujla carry Punjabi pride across the world.
From songs born in the fields to beats heard across the world, Punjabi music lives on, proud, powerful, and rooted in its soul.
One culture, many sounds, a journey that never stops moving. This is Punjabi music.
Now get ready for incredible journey to Sri Lanka. Today we're going to take you all parts of the places in India. The song is China China Muruga, but I don't know the meaning of it. So what I think, China ne murga banavi deo. So I'm sure that must be another thing. Our next performer began dancing even before she started walking. She just lives across the road to me, and when she first started going to the class, from her window she will say, Sami auntie, look this. So she always show me that she loves dance. And her mother knew that she is destined to dance because she used to kick her a lot in her tummy. So she put her in a class. She has learned everything else but hasn't learned to pronounce my name yet, and she always calls me Sami auntie. And she runs and she will come and say, Sami auntie, I want to dance. Sami auntie, I want to do this, I want to do that. So, without further ado, please welcome the one and only, our stunning Kishani Kandipan, choreographed by Shivanandala Kelivaran. Please give her a big hand.
திருமென்மணம் பாதங்கள் மெய்மை குன்றா ஒலிக்கு துணை முருகா எனும் நாமங்கள் முன்பு செய்த பலிக்கு துணை அவன் பன்னிரு தோளும் பயந்த தண்ணி பலிக்கு துணை வடிவேலும் செங்கோடன் மயூரமும் வல்லமையிலேறும் என் வடிவேலோ கந்தமுமை காணும் இன்னும் முடிவருவேனோ செந்தமிழை காக்கும் பேசவல் கொடியானோ எண்ணி பாடும் என்னை கந்தனறிவானோ தொழிலே வாழ்காவடி சுமந்து கொடினேன் மேடு பாலங்கள் கலந்து ஆடினேன் அவன் ஆலயம் உழைத்து பாடினேன் வடிவேலனை நினைத்து தொழிலே வாழ்காவடி சுமந்து கொடினேன் மேடு பாலங்கள் கலந்து ஆடினேன் அவன் ஆலயம் உழைத்து பாடினேன் வடிவேலனை நினைத்து தந்தைக்கு உபதேசம் செய்து சுவாமி மலை ஆழ்பவன் நீ மாம்பழத்தில் கோபம் கொண்டு பழனி மலை ஆழ்பவன் நீ தோழமாக செந்தூரிலே ஆழ்பவன் நீ வழிது வயாலையுடன் வல்லமையிலேறும் என் வடிவேனோ கந்தமுனை காணும் தினம் முடிவருவேனோ செந்தமிழை காக்கும் பேசவல் கொடியானோ எண்ணி பாடும் என்னை கந்தனறிவானோ தொழிலே வாழ்காவடி சுமந்து கொடினேன் மேடு பாலங்கள் கடந்து ஆடினேன் அவன் ஆலயம் உழைத்து பாடினேன் வடிவேலனை நினைத்து தொழிலே வாழ்காவடி சுமந்து கொடினேன் மேடு பாலங்கள் கடந்து ஆடினேன் அவன் ஆலயம் உழைத்து பாடினேன் வடிவேலனை நினைத்து தந்தைக்கு உபதேசம் செய்து சுவாமி மலை ஆழ்பவன் நீ மாம்பழத்தில் கோபம் கொண்டு பழனி மலை ஆழ்பவன் நீ தோழமாக செந்தூரிலே ஆழ்பவன் நீ வழிது வயாலையுடன் தனிதை நாடு.
Now, before I go for the another one, Unika, I want to introduce her. Unika, she's excellent in her study, but her teacher complains that she's very shy, doesn't take any part anyone, doesn't talk to anyone. That is what her mom told me. So, I decided to put her in, taking her out of her comfort zone and put in the fireplace. So, you know, Hindu Council Grant always provide a stage to the children so where they can show their skills. So I said, so please give her a very, very big hand. It's up to you, you know, that you encourage her or discourage her. This is her first time convening or in front of audience. So please make sure that she stays. Now, the another act. उसका कद हिमालय से भी बड़ा होता है, जो देश की रक्षा के लिए सरहद पर खड़ा रहता है। उसका कद हिमालय से भी बड़ा होता है, जो देश की रक्षा के लिए सरहद पर खड़ा रहता है। वो ठंडी बर्फ में भी मुस्कुराता है, आसमान में उड़कर वो टपटी रेत पर भी सो जाता है। घुटने को मोड़कर वो सालों तक अपने आंगन का दर्शन नहीं करता। वो रुखी सुखी खा लेता है, पर जंतर मंतर पर कभी प्रदर्शन नहीं करता। वो जंतर मंतर पर कभी प्रदर्शन नहीं करता।
They brought a great beat to the party. Weren't they wonderful? Don't you agree? I do have one small request. It's that you stay for the awards so that you can cheer on these small children so that they keep on dancing and working hard.
ये बच्चे आपके लिए इतनी सारी मेहनत करते हैं, आप पूरा शो बैठ के देखते हैं, तो मेरी आपसे गुजारिश है कि लास्ट 5-10 मिनट भी आप बैठ के उनको देखें। उनको अवार्ड जब भी वो ट्रॉफी मिले तो आप इतना चीयर अप करें कि उनको और डांस करने में मजा आए। I know Mohammed Butt is a good dancer. This is our Bharat Bhai. He is also a secretary of Atya Samaj, and for many years he keeps on running the Atya Samaj. Thank you, Bharat Bhai, for your dedicated service to Hindu Council Grant. We're proud to have you on board. I would like Mary to present him an award. ગરબા ચાલુ કરી દે, even on Christmas Day, Christmas ગરબા બનાવી દે. That is what Gujarati loves, dancing. ગરબા વિના એમને ચાલે નહીં. Actually જોવા જાય તો આપણા મોદીજીને જોઈ લો ને, આખી દુનિયાના બધા મંત્રીઓને એની પાછળ ગોળ ગોળ ગરબા ઘુમાવે છે. Isn't it? Do you like ગરબા?
I definitely agree. Garba is performed everywhere for every occasion, whether it's Christmas, birthday parties, or just a simple picnic. It's a dance form originating from the state of Gujarat, full of vibrant and energetic movements reflecting their rich culture. We will now be able to see this spectacular dance performed by Riddhi Chetan Solanki, Shikha Ishwarlal Jagani, Vaishnavi Distas Kumar, Mahi Chetan Solanki, Himani Distas Kumar, and Suhani Roykangi. Choreographed by Natasha Patel from Kardia Nyati Mandal. Make sure you're clapping loud, we need to hear it in Gujarat.
Mama
sorry, that was a bit of a technical misunderstanding. But second round will be much better. They're just getting it a bit sorted out. So I don't hear you clapping much tonight. I think you're a bit asleep. So we're going to do a bit of a task. So this is the left side, this is the right side. When I say left side, can you all cheer? Right side? Seems like the right side's a bit more awake. One more try. That's much better now. Thank you.
call me last night and say, sorry, I can't perform. And I'm in limbo. So Binaldan is always my rescue. So thank you, Binaldan. It was wonderful. हमारा अगला परफॉर्मेंस, मुझे एक बेटी और एक डॉटर एंड फादर નો જે કન્વર્સેશન છે યાદ આવે છે, and I would like you to listen to this conversation because it's really important what that shoulders must be going through or their family must be going through during the war. एक दिन बेटी कहती है, पापा जल्दी घर लौटना. एक दिन बेटी कहती है, पापा जल्दी घर लौटना, मैं आपके बालों में कंघी घुमाना चाहती हूँ. रातों को सोने से पहले आपकी मूंछों में ताव लगाना चाहती हूँ. जब मैं छुट्टियों में नानी के घर जाऊंगी तब आप एक संदूक लेकर घर आना. और मैं भी एक सैनिक बनना चाहती हूँ तो मेरे लिए एक बंदूक घर ले आना. मैं भी सैनिक बनना चाहती हूँ तो मेरे लिए एक बंदूक घर लेकर घर आना. मगर जैसा जाता है सैनिक वैसा घर नहीं आता. मगर जैसा जाता है सैनिक वैसा घर नहीं आता. डर तो आ जाता है पर सिर नहीं आता. डर तो आ जाता है पर सिर नहीं आ जाता. मरते वक्त भी वो सैनिक यही कहता है, मेरे वतन तू आबाद रहे.
India's Republic Day marks the acceptance of the Indian Constitution. It marks the transition into a democratic republic. For our next act, we'll be having a performance which emphasizes this point in history through its emotional song performed by Sunny Lalit Chandra.
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझसे. पाँचों में जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तो. ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो. मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो. ऐ वतन मेरे गम की आँच आने नहीं दूं कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तो ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तो ऐ वतन मेरे वतन ऐ वतन मेरे वतन Thank you. Happy Republic Day.
I think he needs more clapping. Your hands are not holding. You know? मैं सिर्फ यही कह सकती हूँ कि ऐसे वीरों को हम नमन करने के अलावा और कुछ नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि उनका रोल तो हम कभी भी जिंदगी में चुका नहीं सकते. Now I would ask Krupesh Bhai to come and say a few words, please.
Barry Gardner, who received an award from India government, which he accepted on behalf of the community here in Brent that he's been representing for many years. And I know that from what we've seen already and what we're about to see through the different communities that we have, whether you have your heritage in Ahmedabad, in Surat, in South India, or in Wembley, you will be at home here because many people from India have chosen to call this our home and move here, and it's right that we recognize that as well. So, like Barry, I'll end with those words. Jai Hind!
Thank you, Krupesh Bhai. Now I would like to ask Suresh Bhai to come and say a few words, please.
I didn't expect to say a few words today, but I've been called, so I will mention a few things. We are celebrating Republic Day of India. It's a monument achievement. The Constitution of India is a live thing, but as with times, it needs to change. And of course, we need the requisite majority in the parliament to do some things. And things have started changing a little bit in India, and over the past 14 years, we have noticed it. And actually now India flies a very high flag in the world. The Indians at one time, when you travel abroad, were not given due recognitions. But now, in all India, are really proud to go anywhere in the world, and they're welcome. So India is now making its mark in the world. It was great civilization 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 years ago, and it's coming back to its rightful place. And in Brent, it's a mini India. We got so many different religions, cultures, languages, same as India, and we happily live in Brent, same as Indian. So thank you, British Indians, and Hindus. Thank you, and congratulations for having a wonderful program here. Thank you.
Thank you, Suresh Bhai. Now, last but not least, Paul Rober, please come and say a few words. Paul Rober is also like Barry Gardner with us for so many years with Hindu Council, taking all the interest in all functions. So, I will also give you an extra minutes to say your experience with Hindu Council as well.
You are very kind. Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Hind! So you, of course, I'm a bit of a history freak, and of course there's nothing more exciting than the history of India, of course. So of course you all know the significance of the 26th of January 1950. And the significance is that exactly 20 years before then, the National Congress made the demand for the very first time for fully independent India. Prior to that, it was, we'll participate in democratic institutions if we get given some liberty. But in 1930, Congress demanded full independence of India. And it took another 20 years to achieve it. So independence came in 47, and then 3 years work by Dr. Ambedkar, let me pronounce it right, Ambedkar, yeah, to develop a constitution for India. And it's very interesting that we have a program which covers different parts of India. Because one of my biggest heroes of the campaign for independence for India was a certain Vallabhbhai Sardar Patel. And as you know, India was made up of over 560 princely states. How do you put all of them together to create one country? Well, it takes a very special man, and that man was Sardar Patel. Bit of persuasion, bit of iron will, and a bit of possibly a few threats, but he managed to achieve it by getting almost every single one of those 560 states to join to create the great Republic of India. And I pay tribute to him as I pay tribute to all the campaigners who fought and sacrificed for decades and decades to create the country. I will now say something about Hindu Council Brent. And this is quite important to read this. To promote the Hindu Sanatana Dharma. Now, I was elected as a councillor in Brent in 1982. By that time, there was already an organization here doing fantastic work in ensuring that, for example, the celebration of Navratri took place far and wide across this borough. Hindu Council came a little bit later, in 1984, and it became a charity. And I've known over the years many people who have been involved with Hindu Council Brent, who have devoted their life and contributed amazingly. And some of them have received awards today, some of them sadly have long passed away. But I would like to pay a particular tribute to two people. One of them is Nirmala, and the other one is Mahendra Patni. As it so happens, I've known Mahendra for many years because we used to work for the same firm of chartered accountants, but that's not really how I got to know him. I got to know both of them through their devotion to Hindu Council Brent to promote the positive things that the Hindu community can contribute. And I know over the years we have heard fine words about Hindu Council Brent. But in my view, 15 years or so ago, Hindu Council Brent was treated very unfairly by Brent Council, and I will never forgive them for that. And that was when they took away the grant from the celebration of Navratri. A very big mistake. Navratri is a very important festival which brings people together. And it was down to the Hindu Council to make sure that Navratri was celebrated across 40 halls in this borough. 30,000 plus people celebrated. And I think time has come, not just to apologize, but to ensure that Hindu Council receives the support that it deserves in the future. Thank you.
Thank you for, and we definitely need this grant. So I'm sure Brent Council in next year will think over it. Okay, so now we're going to start our next performer.
Choreographed by Vidina Shivadar. Please give them a warm welcome.
Yeah, you need to fish. Pointer support करनी स्क्रीन लाइव स्क्रीन टीवी का
இடது பதம் தூக்கி ஆடும் நடராஜனடி பணிவையே நெஞ்சே 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 படவரவாட புலியதலாட படவரவாட புலியதலாட பக்தர்கள் ஜய ஜய எனவே புலி பதஞ்சலி இருகள் குளிர பக்தர்கள் ஜய ஜய எனவே புலி பதஞ்சலி இருகள் குளிர தில்லையிலே இடது பதம் தூக்கி ஆடும் நடராஜனடி பணிவையே நெஞ்சே இடது பதம் தூக்கி ஆடும் திருவடி சிலம்புகள் கலீர் கலீரன திருவடி சிலம்புகள் கலீர் கலீரன திருமுடி இளமதியொளி பளீர் பளீரன திருமுடி இளமதியொளி பளீர் பளீரன திருவடி சிலம்புகள் கலீர் கலீரன திருமுடி இளமதியொளி பளீர் பளீரன தீரகதிங்கெனதும் என திருமால் மத்தளமதிர திரிதகதிங்கெனதும் என திருமால் மத்தளமதிர சிவகாமி மணாளன் திருச்சிற்றம்பலம் தனிலே சிவகாமி மணாளன் திருச்சிற்றம்பலம் தனி புன்னகையோடு இடது பதம்
We will now have a heartfelt mix of iconic songs that celebrate unity, sacrifice, and the amazing spirit of our nation, sung by Dr. Rajesh Ganpata. Please give him a warm welcome onto the stage.
हर करम अपना करेंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए दिल दिया है जान भी दे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए दिल दिया है जान भी दे ऐ वतन तेरे हर करम अपना करेंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए दिल दिया है जान भी दे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए दिल दिया है जान भी दे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए कुछ करिए नस नस बनी बोले हाय कुछ करिए हाय कुछ करिए हाय कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले अब कुछ करिए ओ कोई तो जल बढ़िए दूध तरी या बढ़िए हाय कोई तो जल बढ़िए दूध तरी या बढ़िए चक दे वो चक दे इंडिया 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 ओ
community mate. But then, you know, if you don't see that person for 4 years, and if they knock the door, then ask them, કે તમે આજે પાછા આવ્યા, તમને આજે ટાઈમ મળ્યો, આટલા વખત ક્યાં હતા, શું કર્યો મારા માટે, શું ના કર્યો, please do that. Okay? Now on that note, I will ask Upendra Bhai to say a word of thanks.
Just a quick one. May I request Dr. Rajesh, please to come and join me. Just to introduce, Dr. Rajesh Ganpala, by profession is a dentist. Now, I've been following Rajesh for many years. When I saw his performance just about 2-3 days back, and he had done exactly sang what he's saying today, this evening, he had actually published on the Facebook. I contacted yesterday Dr. Rajesh, can you please come to the India Republic Day celebration and sing on behalf of Hindu Council brand? And what gas! He has traveled all the way from Leicester to give that feeling of patriotism to yourself, everyone. And I know every one of you were clapping. So, Dr. Rajesh, thank you for coming. It was absolutely smashing performance. Thank you very much.
To invite me, and thank you to the Hindu Council brand and the DKNS Upendra Bhai. So he contacted me yesterday. Well, it was a short notice, but I will always love to come if it is India.
Thank you once again, thank you. Right.
Okay. Ready? Everybody ready? While you are doing that, I can just... Shall we take one photo, group photo, before we present the trophy? Are we going to take photo first? Yeah. All, Paul, Suresh Bhai, everybody comes, so we can have a one group photo with the participants, please. All committee members, please. Here. The next person is Manya Ieju. No, wait. Manya Ieju, you have given already. The another one is Radhini Sivadharan. Thank you. You did a wonderful job. So now, can I call upon Narigato, please? I'm sorry, I have got so many, so I have to distribute amongst you. Unika Parmar. Karina Basra. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Barry. I would invite Krupesh Bhai, please. Kishani Kandipa. Misra from Benel's group, Misra. Is that there? Oh, Midasa. Okay. Thank you, Krupesh Bhai. Thank you. Thank you, Krupesh Bhai. Muhammad Bhatt. Shivani. Zanvi. Janvi. Thank you, Mr. Bhatt, thank you. Next, Suresh Bhai. Ritvi. Tiara. Tiara. Dia. આટલા બધા છોકરાઓની મહેનત ને તમારથી તાળીઓ કેમ પડાવતી કે ભાઈ ભૂખ લાગી છે મને ખબર છે ભૂખ લાગી છે પણ હમણાં 5 મિનિટ થશે 5 મિનિટમાં ખાવાનું મળશે હિમાની સુહાની Bye. Natasha Patel, choreographer Natasha Patel. Velji Bhai. Natasha Patel, is she here? Natasha Patel. Okay, Mahi. Mahi. Mia. Thank you. Sanjay Bhai.
બધાને વિનંતી છે તાલીઓ ચાલુ જ રાખજો પ્લીઝ કારણ કે એ લોકોને એક જાતને જોડવા મળશે કે જેથી એ લોકો ઉમંગથી પાછા નેક્સ્ટ ટાઈમ પરફોર્મ કરી શકે
Anaya.
તાલીઓ પ્લીઝ
Anaya, Binal Band. Please, our deputy mayor.
Big round of applause.
Yogesh Bhai.
વિનલબેને કેમ આપણે ભૂલી શકીએ જ્યાં પરફોર્મન્સીસ હોય ત્યાં તો વિનલબેન હોય જ
Sunny. હરિહર ભાઈ તમે હજુ આવ્યા નથી ઓકે Sunny.
તાલીઓ પ્લીઝ
Thank you. Anybody?
Thank you.
તમારા જેવા ફંક્શનો બોલાવતા ત્યાં તમને ખબર હે હા લ્યો સોની
કેમ છો આવી ગયા તમે ક્યારે આવ્યા
સોની વાળા બહુ
થેન્ક યુ
થેન્ક યુ હા બરાબર